How to send view once on Instagram. So if you wish to send view once on Instagram, what you have to do is to make sure to launch the Instagram app and just go to your DMs page. Now from the DMs page, what you do is you just select a person to whom you want to send a view once photo or video and tap on the camera icon from the bottom left and allow while using the app. So allow the access. Now you can choose to take a picture right from here directly instantly by selecting a snap right there, or you can choose a picture from your gallery. So go to your photos and select a certain picture that you wish to send to anybody like this. Now under this allow replay section, tap on it once and select view once because we only want it to be viewed once. So tap the send button and the other person will only be able to replay this photo or video just once. So that is all for this video. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.